Hello everyone, welcome to today's discussion on Chapter 8 Marketing. The weightage of this chapter is 15 marks with option and 20 marks without option. So, dear students, pick up your answers wisely. Here we go. Today we will explore the key concepts of functions of marketing. Before understanding the functions of marketing, let us understand what is marketing. Marketing is a part and parcel of modern day's life. Effective marketing is needed for any business to survive and succeed. Marketing attracts the consumers and induces them to buy the product or services. The various functions of marketing work together to identify and analyze consumer needs and meet those needs. So let's roll upon the various marketing functions. The first function of marketing is marketing research. Marketing research is to identify target consumer, their needs, their likes, taste, preferences. It is a systematic process of gathering, analyzing information through observation, Google Trends, surveys, etc. Marketing research helps us to take marketing decisions regarding successful marketing of products. Example, in technology, Amazon's analysis of customer purchasing habits. Similarly, in food and beverages, Starbucks on consumer preferences for coffee. Moving on to the next aspect is our next function, and that is buying and assembling. Buying and assembling involves acquiring raw material or components from various sources like online marketplaces, wholesale market, different manufacturers for production. The quality and price of raw material significantly impact the pricing of the goods. For example, purchasing fibers from suppliers and assembling them into fabric. Also, acquiring wood, metal, and fabric, then assembling like into furniture. Example, IKEA. Moving on to the next point, that is market planning. Market planning is comprehensive blueprint after reviewing market trends, identifying target audiences, market resource research. It is to develop strategies or product, price, promotion, place to achieve desired objectives. Example, Hindustan Unilever targets rural markets with affordable products like Lifebuoy soap. Make My Trip sends personalized travel offers to subscribers through email marketing. Moving on to the next function is product development. This product development and design plays an important role in the selling of the product. It is a systematic process of designing the product to suit the needs of the consumer and also to attract them. It requires continuous improvement since consumer taste, preferences, likes changes from time to time. Example, Flipkart update its application features for new product options from time to time. Similarly, Tata Motors continuously update its technology for electric vehicles. Let's proceed to our next point, and that is standardization and grading. It is Standardization is establishing uniformity in quality of products. It is necessary to enhance customers' trust and loyalty towards the product. For example, BIS, that is Bureau of Indian Standards for Quality Maintenance, ISO 9000 for Quality Management Certification. Also, grading is the process of categorizing products according to their similarities and for qualities. It can be done by visual inspections, sorting mechanically, or laboratory testing, etc. Products like grains, vegetables, fruits, spices, herbs, etc. are graded, namely AGMARK, that is Agricultural Produce Grading and Marking. Moving on to our next point, that is packaging and labeling. So packaging is And labeling plays a crucial role in creating the first impression of consumers about the product. Packaging means attractive designing by using eco friendly materials to protect damage to the product. Example boxes, bags, containers from plant based materials or recyclable materials. Similarly, there's labeling. Labeling is a slip. Label is a slip, a tag providing all information regarding name, description, ingredients, nutritional contents, allergens, handling instructions, local and international regulations. The slogan Label Padega India, Tabhi to Swasth Banega India, that encourages people to read and understand labels. This will compel companies to cease false marketing and provide higher quality goods. Now, let's proceed to our next point, and that is branding. It is a process of establishing a unique identity and differentiating from competitors' product or services. It gives a distinct name to one's product, and that is why it is called branding. Through registered brands, that is trademark, a symbol, logo, design, number, color can be given to a product which cannot be copied. Example: Apple's Apple logo, Parle-G's biscuit iconic logo, Haldiram's logo. Now, moving on to the next thing, and that is customer support services. So, customer support service are essential for business to provide assistance to customers through proper messages, email, live chat, support system, product demo, after sales service, which increases customer loyalty and their retention. Example: Amazon's 24 by 7 customer support hotline. HDFC, ICICI Bank offering customer support for account related queries. Moving forward is our next function, and that is pricing of the product. Pricing is the most important and challenging function of marketing. It directly impacts the revenue and profitability of the business. It is necessary to fix the prices. Many times, prices of the product decides the success or failure of a product. So deciding the right price will result in maximum profit. For example, LinkedIn follows premium pricing for professional services. Ola follows dynamic planning for ride hailing services. Now we will explore the next strategic function, and that is promotional channels. Promotional channels is a process of marketing communication to consumers about product, services to target consumer to induce them to buy the product and increase brand awareness. So business can use any of the methods of promotion as per the needs. For example, media, we can use TV, radio, digital channels like Facebook, Instagram, sales representative, etc. Our next key consideration is distribution. It is a process of making product or services available to customers through various channels. It refers to the warehouse management, inventory movement, shipping logistics, delivery operations, etc. Example: various wholesalers, distributors, etc. Closely related to this is our next function, that is transportation. It refers to the movement of goods, raw material, or finished goods from one place to another. Production, sale, and consumption. All the three activities need not be at one place. Hence, there is a need of transportation. Place utility creates
transportation. Example, land transport, water transport, air transport, rail transport, pipelines, etc. This leads us to our next function, and that is warehousing. So, warehousing refers to the storage and management of goods at a safe place to maintain smooth flow of goods. It helps in stabilization of prices of the products in the market. It creates time utility. Example, cold storage warehouse stores perishable goods like vegetables, fruits, dairy products, etc. Pharmaceutical warehouses stores medicines and medical supplies, etc. So these are the various functions of marketing. Thus, marketing ignites business success through marketing functions. It's rightly said, business has only two functions, marketing and innovation. So, marketing function are the foundation of any business. Hope you all have understood all the functions of this presentation. We will conclude here. Stay tuned for my next video. Thank you.